I have just created this beautiful landing page in a few seconds, and I have connected it with my MailerLite account in a few prompts. This is all thanks to bolt.new, which is one of the hundreds of tools that nowadays we have to create software and apps directly using AI. Of course, if you do not know how to code, there are some limits because you can ask AI to do everything for you, but you still need someone for you to perform security checks, or at least to, yes, analyze your projects and see if everything is built correctly. But this is still a perfect way to launch a very startup phase of project without having to go through, investments or any other stuff, because it is very affordable. You can start for free, and it lets you create functioning websites and apps. In this case, a beautiful landing page that I can change with a simple prompt. If I want to change the background image, I can do it. If I want to add a background video, I can do it. If I want to change the copy, I can do it with a simple prompt, and it's going to look gorgeous out of the box. So now in the video, I will show you how to get started and how to achieve a similar result. Let me show you here. In this example, we're going to create a landing page. And frankly, I'm just asking myself, where is WordPress going now? Because if we have tools like Bolt, what about WordPress? What is the point of using WordPress? So yeah, let's start the discussion and let's see what Bolt can do. Let's create a simple landing page. So create a minimalistic landing page with a subscription box with name and email connected to my MailerLite account, and make it modern and sensational. Okay, I don't know if you say sensational. Anyway, something very explosive. Oh, okay, don't worry if there are some spelling errors. I can go and see what happens. Now it's going to ask me to create a free account. This is what I've already done, so I will sign in with my email and password. Okay, and then I'm going to just sit down here and watch what Bolt will realize for me. Now is writing the code. Of course, I could be more specific in my prompt. I can give more instructions if I want to. I can also ask the kind of technology that I want to apply to my landing page. In this case, I'm just letting Bolt decide for me. And you see here, we have all these steps that are being performed by Bolt. Wow, this is quite amazing. You see that here there is the fields where I can add my MailerLite API key, which is something that I'm going to do right now. And I have also a preview here. So let me see here if we can just preview our landing page. There it is. This is my landing page. And I can also change whatever I want just by using simple prompts. In this case, it says also that I can, if I want to complete the setup, I will need to click the Connect to Supabase button in the top right of the setup of my Supabase project, which is this one. And this is just the database that I'm going to use. And this is the Add Your MailerLite API key as an environment variable in your Supabase project. The subscription form is now ready to collect names and emails from your visitors and add them to your MailerLite account. This is huge. You see, with just a simple prompt. And let's go here and change a few things from a design point of view. I'm just going to say align right name and email labels. Okay. Okay, it didn't understand perfectly what I wanted to do, but yeah, I mean, you have to dialogue to talk with the AI to get your results. Anyway, this is just a functioning stuff. If I go and connect to Supabase now, okay, I will use my yes, I've already created a database, so I will use this one. Connect project, okay, and then inside this database, I need to perform just the two settings that it tells me here. Add your MailerLite API key, MailerLite API. I need just to fill this field here in my database to be ready to deploy this landing page. Now, to be able to connect my MailerLite API key, I just asked the AI to explain to me in a more deep way, in a more complete way how to do so. And the agent here told me that I needed to create a key into my Supabase account, and this will be a key created using the Edge functions setup. So I went into my Supabase account here. I've already connected my project, as you saw in a few seconds ago, and then here into my Supabase accounts, I can go to Edge functions. I go to secrets here. And then I will be able to add my key, which is going to be using this, voila, this name here. And I'm going to add inside here the value as a value my MailerLite API key, which I already created in my MailerLite account. So once I added it, it is going to be appearing down here. You see MailerLite API key, and this is the beginning of my API key. And now when I ask the agent here if everything is set up okay, I told okay, I have added my MailerLite API key. Is it working now? Let me check, and it says yes, it is correctly integrated. Now you can you're ready to deploy your landing page if you want. And then I also asked my AI agent here to create a database inside Supabase to make me able not only to store my data into MailerLite, but also to have a backup on my own Supabase database. In fact, here when I go to my database, I see if I go on tables, okay, that I have a table called subscribers, and here you see I have the ID, the name, the email, and the date where the user has subscribed. This is my test that I've done, and we're going to do it also together. So this is awesome. Okay. Let's go and test it out. Connect project, and let's see what happens now. I'm going to subscribe to my freshly created landing page. Okay. Even if the design is still not perfect. Oh, let me check, but let me use another email test. Let's go and subscribe. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. Thanks for subscribing. Perfect. This is working fine. Let's go and see. We had before 673 subscribers, and if I reload the page here, I will have 674. And test pascalclarov.com is my new subscriber in my MailerLite account. Wow, this is huge. I've just created a landing page, you see, and if I want to publish this landing page, I just need to click on deploy here. It's going to connect it to Netlify, which is a hosting service, and using Netlify I will be able to deploy my landing page in a few clicks. You see here, this is awesome, and I will be able also to perform any adjustment as I want whenever I want. Let's wait a few seconds now. Okay, so I love randomly generated names, elegant semifreddo, makes me laugh. And this is the domain where we can reach our newly created landing page. You see, this is already available everywhere on the web now. And if I go and open this into an incognito tab, you see that you can access this landing page. It is already working. If you want to claim this domain and add your own domain and customize it, you can do it by creating a Netlify account. Now, an important detail to know is that, of course, Bolt is not free. It's free to start, of course. You can start and build a simple project like the one that you saw with me, but you need some tokens when you want to go on and improve your, I don't know, for example, the design of my landing page or the functionalities and so on, because it will most likely tell you that you have run out of tokens. So that's where it comes in handy, my referral link, which is down here, because the referral link will give you some additional tokens when you subscribe, and you can use it. You can click on it, and you will be able to subscribe to Bolt, and you will be able also to start out with a few additional tokens, which is a good way to do. And you're going also to give me some tokens to me when you use my referral link. So I will be able also to continue using Bolt, with more tokens. That's it. Each question that we write down here in the chat will consume some tokens, and so basically you always need new tokens. And if you want to upgrade to a pro plan to be able to have a lot of tokens on your wallet, you can go and do so. You can go here, you see that you have teams or pro subscriptions. You can switch between annual billing or monthly billing, and of course you will have a discount if you switch to annual billing, and then you can go and choose your plan to get started. It is pretty amazing, and if you have very simple, lightweight projects, you can go with the pro plan, or you can go with the pro 50, 100 or 200s if you have really big plans and you want to code a lot using AI. And this is incredible. I mean, you can create a simple landing page, but if you go further, you can create any kind of app or of website, of course, with this technology. And it's going to become more and more powerful each and every month. So my questioning was at the beginning of the video, has WordPress a place into our world right now? I think yes. Personally, I think that it is not something that's going to disappear immediately, but wow, when I see stuff like this, I'm just questioning myself. Where should I invest my energies and passion right now. And I think that this is a good direction. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will leave you also the Bolt link, which is my referral link. So yeah, you can get some credits, and I can get some credits when you use that link. So thank you in advance if you want to do so. And voila, this is it. I just wanted to share this with you. Let me know in the comment section below. Oh, and if you want more videos about this, please let me know.